soy chunk ash gourd coconut stew or soya chunk ash gourd coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soya chunk recipes and one of the most different of the ash gourd recipes. Today we are going to make soya chunk ash gourd coconut milk stew. The ingredients are 150 grams of soya chunk, around 250 grams of ash gourd, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 3 green chillies, 25 grams of garlic, around 10 to 12 shallots, 1 onion cut into pieces. Now take 200 to 300 ml of water and put in around 1 spoon of salt and mix. Put in the soya chunk pieces into the water. Now boil the water, and after the water boils, cook the soya chunk pieces for 5 minutes. Squeeze out the water after cooking and put the soya chunks into the bowl. Do this with all the soya chunks. After cooking for 5 minutes, squeeze out the water, put it into the bowl. Thoroughly squeeze out the water. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots in the oil. Garlic, salt, until the onions lose the pinkish color. Soya chunk pieces. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the green chillies. Put in the saute. Salt and mix. Mix in the hash cooked pieces with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Now put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Mix the salt into the mixture. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix. Mix the coconut milk with the rest of the mixture and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. This is the final. Soya chunk ash gourd stew or soya chunk ash gourd coconut stew. Now it's ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final soya chunk ash gourd coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the soya chunk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ash gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.